September 3rd, we have closed our first batch successfully. I'm really grateful to all the learners, all the participants who were part of this course. Their enthusiasm kept me going and bringing more meaningful content to every class. And whereas they learned a lot of tips, we are also using this channel to help other learners and the same learners to keep reinforcing things and to keep their practice going in momentum. Today, I talked about different tips and strategies. One of them were to focus on the opening and the closing lines of the passage when confused about which option to choose from. Let's look at this passage. I'll give you some time and I'll move away from the screen, assuming you've paused the video and you're reading it. The conflict between man and state is as old as state history. That's the first line. Also read the point that I've highlighted here. Constantly yield place to new ones. What do? Humans, where old values and ideas. If I highlight this part to you, can you help eliminate one option? Focus here, eliminate one option. How about eliminating option C? Does it get contradicted? And when it does, we are left with A, B, and D. Anarchy and chaos are the obvious results. Too pessimistic or too strong, very judgmental. We eliminate that. Now we are left with first and last option. Is not in the interest of society. Does it match with our constitution's perspective? If it doesn't, we rule this out. What are we left with? A. And if we are still confused if to choose A or not, we look at the first line. Although, and the second line also suggests the same thing with the supporting factor, although attempts have been made for centuries. Still far off. Were you able to choose option A as your answer? If not, please discuss, use the comment box. If you like the video, please express that as well. Thank you everyone for viewing the videos. We hope you're finding these videos useful.